Hi Sharks! Today we are going to be talking about our predictive inventory tool for small businesses. Myself, Rachel, along with Isaiah and Karen are excited to show you how analytics can solve real problems for small businesses today. Small businesses often struggle with inventory. Too much stock equals wasted money and too little stock equals lost sales. Our predictive inventory tool uses data to help businesses stock smarter. To make this project real, we're asking for $25,000 in seed funding. This money will cover prototype development, training, and dashboard tools. By investing now, you'll help small businesses cut waste and grow profits. The ROI comes from reduced costs and stronger competitiveness, making this a smart investment. So what is the problem and why do we want this? Inventory mistakes hurt profits and customer satisfaction. Many small businesses don't have the advanced tools to forecast demand. They rely on gut feeling instead of actual data. The opportunity is that this tool makes data simple and useful for everyday decisions. By applying analytics, we can help small businesses reduce waste, improve profits, and stay competitive in their local markets. Business analytics turns raw data into smart decision making. Our tools use forecasting and regression to predict demand. This shows how analytics can solve real problems and not just theories. With better inventory planning, businesses can save money and grow. We will use a mix of public and simulated data to build our analysis. Public data includes retail sales trends, weather patterns, and social media buzz. Simulated data helps us fill in the gaps and show how the tool would work in real life with real life scenarios. Our data structure includes date, daily or weekly sales, the product category, units sold, weather conditions, local event tags like any kind of holiday events that might be going on. This structure helps us connect external factors to inventory demand. So, what are our data limitations in all this? Real world data isn't perfect. Some sources had missing values or inconsistent formats. Social media trends were hard to measure precisely. That's why we used simulated data to keep things clean and consistent. Now to talk about data cleaning. We removed duplicates and filled in missing values. We standardized formats like dates and product names. This made it easier to run forecasting and regression models without errors. Clean data equals better insights.
For this slide, we're just looking at the full table of the data we collected. We put together 10 weeks of sales across 3 different product categories, and we included the weather conditions and any events happening during each week. The main point here is that it just gives us a clear starting point before we make any charts or run any forecasts. We need to actually understand what the numbers actually show. And when you look at it all together, you can already see some weeks jump out more than others. This table is basically the foundation for all the trends and patterns we'll walk through in the next few slides. Looking at the overall demand trends, we can see that sales follow a pretty clear pattern across the 10 weeks. Each product category moves in a similar direction, and the increases line up with certain weeks where things like weather changes or events take place. So instead of sales being random, they rise and fall in predictable ways. That's important because it shows that a small business can plan ahead and use these patterns to make smarter inventory decisions. When we break the data down by events and weather, the effect is even stronger. Weeks with local events and holiday events consistently show higher sales across all product categories. And we will look at the weather. Rainy and hot weeks lead to more units sold compared to sunny weeks. So customers really do react to what's happening around them, and these outside factors directly influence how much they buy. This is exactly the type of information a predictive inventory tool can use. To build on that, we use a simple forecast based on our 10 weeks of sales. The solid line shows our actual data, and the dotted line shows the prediction for the next week. The model continued the upward trend, which tells us that if a business expected another busy week coming up, they should order a little more to stay stocked. Even a basic forecast like this helps prevent both running out of products and over ordering. This scatter plot shows the relationship between event type and units sold. We assign each event a number: 0 for no event, 1 for a local event, and 2 for a holiday event. You can see that sales are lowest at 0, higher at 1, and consistently the highest at 2. So events clearly drive demand, and this confirms what we saw earlier. External factors aren't random. They're reliable predictors that a business can plan around. Overall, the data shows that demand follows steady patterns and responds strongly to things like events and weather. These trends are predictable, and small businesses can use them to plan their inventory much more accurately. A predictive inventory tool would help reduce waste, prevent stockouts, and make ordering a lot more efficient. With that, Karen will take over and explain how this tool can be implemented and the recommendations our teams came up with.
Thank you, Rachel and Isaiah, for laying the foundation. Based on the analysis we've seen, our recommendation is clear. Small businesses should adopt the predictive inventory tool. This tool directly addresses the costly problem of inventory inefficiency by combining sales data with external factors like weather and local events. It helps owners stock smarter. The benefits are significant. First, profits improve because businesses will avoid lost sales from understocking. Second, waste is reduced because owners don't tie up money in products that sit unsold. Third, competitiveness increases because small businesses can respond quickly to demand shifts, something that larger competitors already do with advanced analytics. In short, this tool transforms guesswork into strategy, giving small businesses the confidence to make smarter stocking decisions. Our rollout plan is designed to be practical and low risk, broken into 3 phases. Phase 1, pilot testing. This will be month 1 to 2. We start small using an Excel-based prototype with 1 or 2 shops. Weekly sales, weather, and event data are collected and forecasts are validated against actual sales. Phase 2 is training and adoption. This is month 3 to 4. Next, store managers are trained to input data and interpret forecasts. We provide simple dashboards so owners can see demand predictions clearly and use them in ordering decisions. The final phase is full deployment, month 5 through 6. Finally, we're able to expand to more businesses. At this stage, this tool integrates with point of sale systems for automated data collection and transitions into a cloud-based subscription platform. This phased approach ensures businesses can test, learn, and adopt the tool without overwhelming change. In order for us to make this rollout successful, we need the right tools and the right people. Tools that we will be needing are an Excel prototype for initial testing, a cloud analytics platform for the scaling, visualization dashboards such as Power BI or Tableau for easy interpretation. The roles that we'll be playing is business owners will make decisions and invest in the tool. Store managers, they will handle data entry and monitor forecasts. IT or data teams will set up systems and provide technical support. By clearly defining tools and roles, we ensure that everyone knows their part in making this project work. This structure also makes adoption smoother and less intimidating for small businesses. As with any new tool, it's important to recognize potential risks. By addressing them directly, we show that our project is not only innovative, but also realistic and sustainable. Our first risk is inaccurate data. First, inaccurate or incomplete data could lead to unreliable forecasts. For example, if a store forgets to log sales during a busy holiday weekend, the tool might underestimate demand. In order to prevent this, we recommend automating data collection through POS systems and validating inputs regularly. This ensures the tool always works with clean, reliable information. Our second risk is adoption resistance. Some business owners may hesitate to trust analytics over their own intuition. Many small shops have relied on gut feelings for years, and change can feel uncomfortable. In order to overcome this, we'll provide training sessions, live demos, and highlight early success stories. Once owners see how the tool saves money and prevents stockouts, confidence in the system will grow quickly. Our third risk is cost concerns. Cost is always a consideration. For very small shops, subscription fees may feel like an added burden. Our solution is to offer tiered pricing models so businesses can start small and scale as they grow. By emphasizing the return on investment, reduce waste, and recover sales, we show that the tool pays for itself. By proactively addressing these risks, we demonstrate that the predictive inventory tool is not only powerful, but also practical. It's a solution designed to fit the realities of small business operations, ensuring long-term success.
Sharks, this is why you should invest with us. Right now, small businesses lose money every week from inventory mistakes. Our tools use forecasting and regression to make ordering smarter and easier. With your support, we'll cut waste, grow profits, and level the playing field for local shops. That's why this project deserves your investment, because smarter inventory means stronger business. Thank you for your time and attention.